What's up, guys? ZNC here. We're at a beautiful New England beach today. Got this little outcrop here. Really nice day. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, do some swimming, frisbee throwing.
Smells like the devil.
Does smell bad over here, but it's beautiful, so we're not complaining.
Crabbing with hands. That's gonna go well.
Yeah. You guys will probably see some crabbing. All right. Alright, so me and Zach here were throwing frisbee, this little alcove thing, and Zach started getting chomped on by probably not one of these. We think it was a sand crab somewhere in here.
It's too tiny.
So we're gonna go hunting.
It's good and well.
See if we get anything. A lot of hermit crabs up in here. See if we can.
Oh, there you go. Hey, buddy. Come here.
Camera shy, I guess. See if he comes back out. Probably doesn't like me right now. Frisbees, the newest technology in crab catching. Hey guys, we're headed over to a mini golf course. It's on the boardwalk here.
Don't know why.
We'll play some mini golf. Why not? You're at the beach. Wanna play some mini golf? That's what I always say, right?
How do those two fit together at all?
Who cares? We're playing mini. Turns out it's not $5 like people told us it was, and so we're gonna hit the arcade.
Fun times.
Lucky, Ducky, and Crispy.
Not really sure what this one is. I used to be the master at crane machines.
I suck at them.
Throwback. Never waste your money.
This is not gonna go well.
Oh, it's close.
Hey.
Round two? Round two?
Round two. Round two.
Ah, boo.
Calvin says I suck, so he's gonna try.
Show you how the master does it, right?
I hate him so much.
Going again. Beginner's luck, I guess, right?
Calvin's so excited he beat me. Calvin has the weirdest winners.
We're gonna try this one.
The skill button. I don't know if that's gonna make me do better.
Oh!
Oh, come on!
That one's about to tip over.
That's good tip it.
Yes.
Yeah. And and not cool.
Wait, there's a chance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey.
They're pouring out now.
I'm master of this game.
Don't. Keeps winning.
I'm still winning. Hey.
That one just keeps going. It's really loud in here.
Very loud. Gravity is 9.8 meters per second velocity. What's the acceleration of a penny? I have no idea.
Let's try our luck.
Here we go. Oh! Calvin's gonna try pinball.
Love pinball. I didn't say I was good at it, but I love it. Start. It's all for fun. It's all for fun. I'm not even worried. Don't waste your money. I ain't even worried.
Get a boogie board.
So, for 20,000 tickets, you can get a bike.
Who plays that much? At least I remember being good at this game. I don't remember being good at this game now. Apparently I'm good at this game.
Not bad.
One more.
We'll be right back. All right, here's a lesson, guys. Don't waste your money in arcades. $10. 2 things of Skittles and Airheads. What's up, guys? We actually just warped from the beach. Fun time. Back home. We're headed to his work right now to pick up a paycheck for him. And then we're headed back to my house. Do some editing, you know, just hang out. It's been fun. See you guys there. Hey, Davey. That's my dog. We just got home. Back to my house anyways. Here's my cat. This is Pepper. Kitty. Yeah.
Okay.
You guys have one of those things? They're fun.
They're weird.
Oh, scalp massagers. Great invention. Alright guys, we're going to end the vlog here. We had a good day at the beach, fun times at the arcade, you know. We're just going to edit this, hang out. See you guys next time.
Bye.